Are you ready to elevate your skills in bioinformatics and data analysis? We're thrilled to announce the launch of the third edition of our Skill Development Internship program. This time, it's bigger and better. Early registrations open in just a few hours, with exciting updates to make learning more accessible for everyone. Explore 8 projects using real data sets, hands-on lectures by domain experts from top institutes worldwide, and a beginner-friendly approach designed just for you. In just 4 weeks, you'll dive into 4 unique domains: bioinformatics, big data analysis, machine learning, and drug discovery. And here's the cherry on top. Members of this community get an exclusive early 20 to grab your spot today. Don't wait. Seize this opportunity to learn, grow, and shine. Register now, and let's build the future together. For Practify, where learning meets innovation.